The city, continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, I swear by this city, and you are a resident of this city, by the begetter, and all whom he begot. We created man to try him with afflictions. Does he think that none has power over him? I have squandered vast riches, he boasts. Does he think that none observes him? Have we not given him 2 eyes, a tongue, and 2 lips, and shown him the 2 paths? Yet he would not scale the height. Would that you knew what the height is. It is the freeing of a bondsman, the feeding in the day of famine of an orphaned relation, or a needy man in distress, to have faith and enjoin fortitude and mercy. Those that do this shall stand on the right hand, but those that deny our revelation shall stand on the left, with hellfire close above them. And yes, there's right and wrong, evil and good, ignorance and enlightenment, but there are degrees, because you're working your way to the top. It's not